on 150, but lots of little small, branches, whatnot in the road, a lot of leaves and whatnot, so that was an indication that there was definitely some wind with that. So I'm on 150 now. I'm actually behind the storm. You're looking at it there ahead of me, and I'm going east on 150, so I'm going to be coming in to Mansfield there before you can see the water on each side of me here along 150 in the ditches and whatnot. This was another very efficient rainfall maker, and so we're just going to get back ahead of this here again, just kind of monitor it. There's still that severe thunderstorm warning with this, still some fairly strong winds going to be south of the Bellflower area, and so we're going to get back on this and kind of just see what we've got. But we are definitely seeing things wind down at least a little bit, but we're not quite out of the woods yet, so we'll continue to keep you up to date with these storms as they move through.
All right, Kevin, thanks for that. I'm just going to do one more look from north to south in these storms, and then we're going to toss to our regularly scheduled programming and continue our coverage on digital. That little area of circulation that we were watching in northwestern Iroquois County, still broad, still though some strong winds coming into Danforth and Ashcombe. That will continue to the east towards Martinton and Donovan along Illinois 1 north of Watseka. I think that's going to more carry itself into southern Kankakee County here. And that really is the only spot I have of concern right now for tornadoes. We're going to watch down line then. So you're looking at the velocity, how storms are moving here, how the wind is, and it's all red, a sign that maybe we're not seeing as much in the way of chance for tornadoes here, but still likely some straight line winds as a concern. A cell now near Roberts, another one just to the north and west, north and east, I should say, of Gibson City. This one storm does have a warning here west of Fisher on 136. That's the one that came through Farmer City, had some trees, branches damage there, and that storm will likely continue. We'll cover that all on digital platforms. We're also going to watch this storm here, starting to surge out a little bit north of Allerton Park, north of Monticello, heading towards Whiteheath and in Seymour. And that's what we have here. But I will mention, again, the transition still concerning for flooding. Across the region, the flash flood watch does go through at least tomorrow morning. The tornado watch, some updates to that. We did cut back some of those counties. We told you that was coming, and here it is. We're still now for Christian, Shelby, Moultrie, Macon, DeWitt, Piatt, McLean, Douglas, Champaign, Vermilion, Iroquois, Ford, and Livingston counties until 7 o'clock tonight. There are some flash flood warnings that are in place here in those areas along Interstate 55. I-74 near Downs and I-55 southwest of Bloomington are closed. Many roads impassable in parts of McLean County. And some of the latest reports are numerous cars stranded in Bloomington now. That came from the 911 call center. And thankfully today, so far, no water rescues. That was not the case tonight. Here we go. We're going to wrap this up and talk to our regularly scheduled programming. The time is 5:03. What we'll do is you can join us on our digital platforms for more coverage. Head on over to us there now. If there's a new tornado warning that does come out, we will jump back on TV and update you more on that. If not, the next time we will see you is on the WCIA 3 News at 6 o'clock. I'm meteorologist Jacob Dickey. Thanks for counting on WCIA 3 for your weather coverage today. Now back to your regularly scheduled program.